90% people who wants to speak in English suffer from a term called silent English, meaning they can easily read, write, and understand but fail to speak. Speak, fail. Why? Because they think that someone would rectify them, someone would laugh at them. I am your English ma'am, would love to share my own journey being a Hindi medium student, how I made it possible. Let me share with you. So let's get started. I made it possible by surrounding myself with English atmosphere. I used to listen to music, English music. I used to listen, what's the name of that guy? Justin Bieber. I used to listen him. I used to sing that special song which is based on a Latin. She's my Latin girl. Whoa, oh, pretty lady, don't you think it's crazy? She's my Latin girl. Whoa. So that's all. I remember not only listening to music assisted me, but also I kept and my ear to the ground about what is happening in English around myself. I used to watch HBO with subtitles. I paid attention towards the subtitles. I wasn't much interested in movies. In my free time, I used to learn vocabulary, and writing a journal played a crucial role in my English spoken journey. I used to write wrong sentences, but I formed at least. It is the thing when I was in my adulthood and I was entering my adulthood. I used to mix up my native language with English language. I used to form mix up sentences, but I had a quote in my mind that I have to be fluent and I have to speak by hook and crook and I will be fluent one day. I have seen so many people used to tell me that a person who is speaking in English is not an intelligent person at all. Why? That is wrong. We are not a prominent personality who have English spoken atmosphere ever since they born. We are born to be a fluent by doing hard work. We are from a middle class atmosphere. We had no English spoken atmosphere at our home at all, neither at schools, because we are Hindi medium students. So I just want to wrap up all the things in a nutshell that practice makes someone perfect and learning is a lifelong process. So just practice, learn and practice. And one day you'll be able to speak and will be fluent. These are the two things that can change your life. You'll be definitely able to speak and you will be fluent one day, I promise you. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon or you'll never see me again.